Welcome to episode 116 of Just Listed by Z Real Estate. Today we're here at 36 Charles Street in Brunswick.
If you're after your next development or next investment opportunity, you cannot look past this property. This property simply ticks all the boxes, Nikki. From lifestyle to location to amazingness, to be able to flip the property, walk in, walk out, or even demolish it. Can you imagine the potential in here? That developer or that investor is definitely going to like this one. Let's go out there, have a look at it.
Based on your experience, Ed, what do developers and investors look for?
Well, Nikki, not only we're offering this amazing opportunity to developers or investors, that second homeowner or that third homeowner could simply walk in here and do a flip on the property. And you know what? The existing property is still quite good. So all they have to do is just give it a bit of a love, you know, the landscaping, big frontage, the inside, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But let's step inside. We're standing in the formal lounge. If I was that potential investor, I would actually rip out the carpets because there's hardwood floorboards already, so you're just going to give it a polish. But my favorite part about the house is that these chandeliers, they actually never go out of fashion.
This part of the house looks like we're walking to a completely different property.
It sure is. I actually like this part because you can still have a modern touch, and over here we can give it a good nice Victorian style / Federation style. But you know what? Not only you have one kitchen, but two kitchens in here, and two families can live in here comfortably with two different accesses.
Z, what are your thoughts of the location?
The location of this property is second to none, approximately 5 kilometres away from the city and a minute walk to Sydney Road.
I love the cafes here, I love the restaurants, public transport and also close to local schools.
The opportunity of this property is just endless.
If you like your entertaining, or that prospective buyer that likes the entertaining, they can have a 4-car garage in here and just living area in here. Nikki, should I call it a theatre room, you know, entertainment room, is so hidden. You can convert this into a perfect rumpus room, theatre room, or anything you like.
This itself is a bonus. You could turn this room into an office if you wanted to.
Exactly, and run a home business.
Yep.
How convenient is that? If I had the money, Nikki, I would buy this property myself, simply for the fact that because you can put a different tenant inside over there, and you can have another tenant with different access, 4-car garage, and have another tenant in here, and I would convert this into another bedroom in here. We're also offering a side access for all the potential investors, so that means not only you can have 1 access, 2 access, but 3 separate entrances to this property. And that potential investor that's watching this video live, I've got one message for you guys in here. Positive cash flow. Come inside, renovate it, rent out each room separately, and I would say from my understanding you can actually have a positive cash flow of $7,000 a month coming into this property if you were to renovate and flip this property. Well guys, what are you waiting for? My name is Zed Nashi and this is the team at Z Real Estate. We're looking forward to meeting you guys at one of our next openings for inspections. But believe it or not guys, the opportunities here are endless.
Stay tuned for next week's episode of Just Listed by Z Real Estate. Bye-bye for now.